Okay. We were here this afternoon to inspect the Bori internal road, and honestly speaking, one of our major reasons of coming here is we got a very disturbing propaganda where some persons were circulating that we deliberately abandoned the continuation of Bori internal road, maybe because of one political reason or the other. So I came here myself to inspect the project and also to let the world know. It's very unfortunate that every time we find ourselves in this kind of very muddy water. This project was awarded before my assumption in office, but I did the two payments for this project. The value of this project is about 6 point something billion. In the month of June, I paid the first 2 billion for it, and in December, I also released another 2 billion, making about 70% of this project value. So I'm surprised where somebody will say that we're not interested in completing this project for my senatorial district. It's even more worrisome that after the money I paid in December, that the contractor did not move into site. We sent a letter to the contractor about some days back, and the only thing the contractor could do was to sack the front desk officer for receiving a letter that was sent to them. Come, what is going on? Come and update us on what is happening in the Bori internal road. So my comment here today is to let the world know. I don't want to mention the name of the contractor. Let it not look as if I'm going personal. But the contractor knows himself. It's better go back to site, or I will do something that will embarrass him. So don't worry about those rumors that are carrying that we don't want to do it. We have paid them more than 80% of the cost of this project. We'll make sure that we complete it, even if they are not willing to do it, because you are my people. Thank you.